Hey up guys, back again today in a different location, a new location. Nice evening. I forgot I had all my stuff in back at car and we came out for a walk to a big lake near us. Found a few bits already. Just like the bolt, a nail, bit of a can, a bit of a gold thing, a long metal pipe which I thought was a barrel for an air rifle, but maybe not, a steering wheel, and just a long metal thin pipe. I'll just plug my thing back on because it's just come out, power bank, and then slide it in my chest thing. So I've started recording now because I've got something else. I can see it in the water right there. Oh, has it come off? It's come off. I think it was a sledgehammer. That's what that noise is. So yep, nice night tonight. Just had something on, it's just come off. Nothing on that. In the old days, not so long ago, there used to be a big diving pool over there, and you could dive in. I mean a diving board, and you could dive in and stuff, but due to health and safety they've stopped it. It's quite clean, this area. There's gunshots you can hear in the background. There's a big shooting range at the back of there. So yeah, on my last video with the shotgun cartridges, what I was trying to explain was how magnetic they are. They are magnetic, it's just the firing pin what's magnetic, but it's not that magnetic to actually stick solid to your magnet. So if you did catch one, there's a chance that it's going to come off before you get your magnet in. Unless it's got steel BBs inside it. Nothing again. This lake is like Lake Crystal from Friday the 13th. It's very spooky on a night time. I wanted to go on that boardwalk there, but you can't because there's that thing stopping you there. Nothing on that one. So yeah, it's about 5:30, 6 o'clock. So it's not going to be a long video, this one. But in a second, I'm going to pack up at this spot and I'm going to go around there where the general public hang about. There's loads of places to go, fishing spots all the way across. Tomorrow I'll be going back to the place where I was hunting for the shotgun yesterday. Nothing on that one. I think that thing's there actually. I think it's a sledgehammer. Wait a minute. Bit of branch that. I can see the handle of it there. Tin. Now, I'll have a couple more goes at it and then I'll move around a bit. garden rake with some rope on it, so someone's trying to drag something out. The rope's only short. Right, I'm going to move around now to the other side, so I'll see you in a second. Okay, so I've just had another little throw. Found like a nut and a bolt. I have a couple more throws here, then move down again. This is a good place to come to. Around this pond, it's basically countryside, little streams and little dugouts and that. So you could explore it with a magnet, a metal detector, not just a magnet. Well, that's just a big metal fence post, which I'll just leave at the side because I don't want to be pulling stuff out while people are here. There's a piece of metal. I don't know what that is. Looked like some sort of saw. So that bit's just broke off. Bit of a saw maybe or something. Don't know. Put that in the bin though. Bit more tin. One more throw and then I will move on. So that's an old fishing rod rest and a metal can, a bit of metal can. Right, I'm gonna pick these little bits up and then I'm gonna move on. I'll see you in a second. So I'm at another little spot just round the corner. Gonna have a few more throws here and then call it a day. Come back and have a full day. Beautiful place here. No, just a nail. Pretty clean here.
That's how much we have in common. Yeah, that's how much we have in common.
That's my phone ringing.
Yeah, that's how much we have in common. That's how much we have in common. That's how much we have in common. We are not alike, not alike on the mic. Yeah.
No, nothing again. Right, I'm going to call it a day here now. In fact, I'm going to have one more throw over here first. That's what I should have called my channel, One More Throw. I reckon this place is going to be better over there or around the back of the edge. Maybe where the gun range is. And on that bend there. But there's a guy fishing over there with his kid, so I don't want to disturb him. That's just a metal strip. Looks like a hacksaw blade. I'm wondering if the steering wheel that I found could have come off one of the boats what they used to have on the lake. You know, the pedal boats. But anyway, I'm going to get off now because it's nearly pitch black. And I hope you enjoyed today's video. Not a lot of finds, but new location and not enough time. Hope everyone's alright. Thank you for my new subscribers in the last 24 hours, and I'll see you soon. Peace.